Welcome to Creative English Journey with Kajal. This Makar Sankranti, let's take one small step toward better communication and confidence. On the occasion of Makar Sankranti, I warmly welcome you all. Makar Sankranti is not just a festival, it is a symbol of new beginnings, positivity, and growth. It marks the transition of the sun into a new direction, and in the same way, it inspires us to move our lives in a better direction. In India, festivals always teach us important life lessons. Makar Sankranti reminds us that change is necessary for growth. When the sun changes its path, nature becomes brighter and warmer. Similarly, when we change our habits, our life also becomes brighter. Let's take an example of a kite. A kite rises higher only when the string is balanced. Not too loose, not too tight. In life, discipline and consistency work like that string. If we stay focused and disciplined, we can rise higher with confidence. Many people want to speak English but stop because of fear of mistakes, fear of judgment. But learning English is a journey, not a competition. You don't need perfect grammar from day one. You need practice, patience, and confidence. Start by speaking one sentence daily. Even if it is simple, speak it confidently. Remember, mistakes are proof that you are learning. This Makar Sankranti, don't just celebrate the festival. Make a promise to yourself. A promise to improve one skill that can change your life. English is not about showing off. English is about communication and opportunity. Speak slowly, think clearly, and believe in yourself. As we celebrate Makar Sankranti, let us welcome positivity, confidence, and continuous learning into our lives. Never stop learning, never stop improving. Thank you so much, and Happy Makar Sankranti to all of you.